Our home galaxy, the Milky Way, is a vast and beautiful spiral galaxy. Stretching over 100,000 light-years in diameter, it is a cosmic marvel that has fascinated astronomers and stargazers for centuries. The Milky Way is named for its appearance as a dim milky band of light arching across the night sky, a sight that has inspired countless myths and legends throughout human history. It contains billions of stars, including our own sun. These stars are not evenly distributed but are concentrated in a thin disk, with a bulging center known as the galactic bulge. The Sun is located in one of the spiral arms, about 27,000 light-years from the galactic center. This central region is densely packed with stars, gas and dust, and is home to a supermassive black hole known as Sagittarius A*. The Milky Way is just one of billions of galaxies in the observable universe. Each galaxy is a vast collection of stars, planets, gas and dust, bound together by gravity. Some galaxies are spiral-shaped like the Milky Way, while others are elliptical or irregular. The diversity and sheer number of galaxies highlight the immense scale and complexity of the universe. Our nearest large galactic neighbor is the Andromeda galaxy, another spiral galaxy similar in size to the Milky Way. Andromeda is on a collision course with the Milky Way, and in about 4.5 billion years, the two galaxies are expected to merge, forming a new galaxy often referred to as Milkomeda or Milkdromeda. Andromeda is about 2.5 million light-years away, which means the light we see from it today left the galaxy 2.5 million years ago. This vast distance underscores the incredible scale of the universe and the time it takes for light to travel across such immense expanses. Observing Andromeda allows us to look back in time and glimpse the universe as it was millions of years ago. Galaxies are not stationary objects. They move through space under the influence of gravity. Gravity is a force of attraction between objects with mass. Massive objects like galaxies exert a strong gravitational pull on each other. The Milky Way and Andromeda are no exception. They are moving towards each other due to their mutual gravitational attraction. Astronomers have been studying the movements of galaxies for decades. By carefully measuring the speed and direction of Andromeda's movement, astronomers have determined that a collision with the Milky Way is inevitable. The estimated time of this collision is about 4 billion years from now. While this may seem like an incredibly long time, it is a relatively short period on cosmic timescales. When galaxies collide, it is not like a car crash. Galaxies are mostly empty space, so individual stars are unlikely to collide directly with each other. Instead, the galaxies will pass through each other, their gravitational fields interacting and distorting their shapes. The first pass will trigger waves of star formation as gas and dust clouds are compressed. Section 5: Galactic Fireworks, Starburst and Black Hole Mergers. As the Milky Way and Andromeda continue to interact, they will eventually merge over billions of years. This merger will be a spectacular event, with intense bursts of star formation as gas clouds collide and collapse. The supermassive black holes at the centers of each galaxy will also spiral towards each other, eventually merging in a cataclysmic event that will send gravitational waves rippling through spacetime. Section 6: Our Solar System's Fate, a New Cosmic Address. As we gaze up at the night sky, it's easy to feel a sense of permanence. The stars and constellations seem fixed, a celestial map that has guided humanity for millennia. But the universe is far from static. In fact, our very own Milky Way galaxy is on a collision course with its neighbor, the Andromeda galaxy. This cosmic event, set to occur in about 4.5 billion years, will dramatically alter the structure of our galaxy and potentially our place within it. What will happen to our solar system during this galactic merger? The collision will be a slow dance of stars and gas, spanning millions of years. While the vast distances between stars mean that direct collisions are unlikely, the gravitational forces at play will reshape the galaxies. Our solar system, currently nestled in one of the Milky Way's spiral arms, will be affected by these changes. While it is impossible to predict the exact fate of our sun and its planets, scientists have some educated guesses. The gravitational interactions could push our solar system into a new orbit, possibly closer to the center of the newly formed galaxy. Alternatively, we might find ourselves on the outskirts, in a more isolated region. The exact outcome depends on a myriad of factors, including the mass and velocity of the merging galaxies. it is likely that we will be flung into a new region of the merged galaxy. This new cosmic address could be bustling with stellar activity, or relatively quiet depending on where we end up. The center of the new galaxy will be a hub of activity, with stars forming at a rapid pace and supermassive black holes merging. If we end up closer to this region, our night sky will be dramatically different. Our night sky will be ablaze with the light of newly formed stars, creating a spectacular celestial display. The increased star formation will result in a sky filled with bright young stars, outshining many of the older stars we see today. This new stellar environment could also have implications for the potential habitability of planets within our solar system, as the increased radiation from young stars might affect planetary atmospheres, and the familiar constellations will be rearranged. The patterns that have been used for navigation and storytelling for thousands of years will be altered as the positions of stars shift due to the gravitational forces of the merger. New constellations will form, and the night sky will become a new canvas for future generations to explore and interpret. There is a small chance that our solar system could be ejected from the galaxy altogether. This scenario, while less likely, is still within the realm of possibility. If our solar system were to be flung out of the galaxy, we would become a rogue star system, wandering the vast emptiness of intergalactic space. This would be a lonely existence, far from the bustling activity of a galaxy. Becoming a rogue star system wandering the vast emptiness of intergalactic space would mean a night sky devoid of the familiar glow of the Milky Way. Instead, we would see distant galaxies as faint smudges of light, and the stars we once knew would be far behind us. This isolation would present unique challenges and opportunities for any future civilizations that might inhabit our solar system. The fate of our solar system in this grand cosmic ballet remains uncertain, but one thing is clear: the universe is ever-changing, and our place within it is not as fixed as it might seem. Section 7, Milkdromeda, the aftermath of a galactic merger. After billions of years, the Milky Way and Andromeda will have fully merged to form a single giant elliptical galaxy. This new galaxy has been dubbed Milkdromeda. Milkdromeda will be a very different place from the two spiral galaxies that came before it. It will be dominated by old, red stars, and star formation will have slowed down significantly. Section 8, Cosmic Perspective, a universe of colliding galaxies. Galactic collisions are not uncommon in the universe. In fact, they are an important part of how galaxies evolve and grow. Hubble Space Telescope observations have revealed countless examples of galaxies in various stages of merging throughout the universe. These collisions provide astronomers with valuable insights into the dynamics of galaxies and the nature of gravity on a cosmic scale. Section 9, Conclusion, a front-row seat to galactic evolution. The future collision between the Milky Way and Andromeda is a reminder of the dynamic and ever-changing nature of our universe. This monumental event, predicted to occur in about 4.5 billion years, will be a cosmic dance of epic proportions. The two galaxies, each containing billions of stars, will gradually come together, their gravitational forces intertwining in a spectacular display. While the thought of such a collision might seem catastrophic, it's important to note that the vast distances between stars mean that direct collisions between stars are unlikely. Instead, the galaxies will merge, forming a new, larger galaxy, often referred to as Milkomeda or Milkdromeda. While it may seem like a distant event, it provides us with a unique opportunity to study galactic evolution firsthand. Astronomers and scientists are already using advanced telescopes and simulations to understand the dynamics of such mergers. By observing other galaxy collisions in the universe, we can predict the outcomes and changes that our own galaxy will undergo. These studies not only help us understand the future of the Milky Way, but also shed light on the life cycles of galaxies in general. The merging process will trigger new star formations as clouds of gas and dust collide and compress. This starburst activity will light up the night sky, offering a spectacular view for any future inhabitants of our galaxy. As we continue to explore the cosmos, we are sure to witness even more awe-inspiring events that will deepen our understanding of the universe and our place within it. The study of galactic collisions is just one aspect of the broader field of astrophysics, which seeks to answer fundamental questions about the nature of the universe. From the formation of stars and planets to the behavior of black holes and dark matter, Each discovery brings us closer to understanding the grand tapestry of the cosmos. The future holds endless possibilities for exploration and discovery, and with each new finding we gain a deeper appreciation for the complexity and beauty of the universe. So as we look up at the night sky, let us remember that we are part of a vast, ever-changing universe, full of wonders waiting to be discovered.